how to link your bank to Acorns for deposit. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to link your bank account to Acorns so you can make deposits easily. Let's get started. Begin by launching the Acorns app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap the menu icon, usually located at the top left of the screen. Then, navigate to your profile or account settings to access more options. Scroll through the settings and look for an option labeled Link Accounts or Bank Connections. Tap on it to manage your bank links. Now tap on Add a Bank or similar option. You'll see a list of supported banks. Select your bank to proceed. Enter your online banking credentials to securely log in. This is typically done through a secure third-party service like Plaid. Review the permissions and confirm that Acorns can access your account for deposits and withdrawals. Approve the connection when ready. Once your bank is verified, it will appear under Link Accounts. Your bank is now ready to be used for future deposits in Acorns.